Can you confirm my screens are visible to you? It
Yes.
is visible.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yes, sir. Which topic yesterday we have covered? Can you just explain me? Assign company chart.
Assign
Assign.
company code to chart of account.
Okay.
Last
Assign
topic.
company code to chart of accounts. Correct.
Yes.
Um, and then we have to configure the next step as a define account group. Write down the next step. Define account group. Okay. Define account group. Define account group. Okay. Then to define account group, T codes are OBD4. Yeah, the T codes are OBD4. OBD4. Okay, T codes are OBD4. And the path, you can write down the path as a SPRO. SPRO. Okay. T codes are OBD4 and the path are SPRO. SPRO. Then SAP reference IMG. Under the SAP reference IMG, again we have the option here as a financial accounting. Say financial accounting. Under the financial accounting, general ledger accounting, general ledger accounting. Under the general ledger accounting, we have the GL accounts. GL accounts. Then master data. Master data. Under the master data, again we have the option here as a preparation. Preparation. Then under the preparation, again we have done yesterday as a edit chart of account list that we have already done. Then the assign company code to chart of account. That is also yesterday we have done these configurations. And then the next one as a define accounts group. Define accounts group. So what does it mean by the define accounts group? First we discuss about it. This accounts group means what? When we are creating the balance sheet or we are maintaining the books of accounts. In that case, we are creating the n number of GL. Correct. The GL we are dividing in multiple groups. Okay. Means what? When we are creating the balance sheet account, correct? In liability side, we start from the liability side. Correct? Because any business you want to start, first you need a capital. Without capital, you cannot start your business. Correct? Then in balance sheet, liability side, my first account group will be as a share capital. Okay? I will create a share capital account group. Under the share capital, I will create a GL account, authorized share capital. Correct? Then issued share capital. Then subscribed share capital. It's working. Okay. issued share capital, correct? So related to the share account limited share account related group, all GL will be comes under the share capital, correct? This is my first group. After that, provision, correct? Provision. For example, I am making some provision for every month for rent. If I am not received the invoice of rent on that particular day, correct? सपोज मेरे को 30 तारीख तक के अगर मेरा रेंट का इनवॉइस नहीं आता है, मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? प्रोविजन करना पड़ेगा. So I will under the provision, whatever the possible GL account required, I will create under the provision accounts. Correct? And the third group will be as a liability, taxes and liability. Correct? For example, your liability will be sales tax liability. Correct? Then service tax liability, professional fees liability, all liability related GL, tax related GL, जो भी रहेंगे वो हमारे आ जाएंगे taxes and duties के अंदर. Correct? Next account group will be as a sundry creditors. Sundry creditors. Sundry creditors के related जो भी मेरे GL रहेंगे, that all GL comes under the sundry creditors account group. Correct? And reserve and surplus. Whatever the profit or loss generating in my business, finally it will transfer to where? Reserve and surplus. In SAP terminology, is called as a retained earning account. So like this, in real time, you
Sir.
can have a multiple account group. You can.
सर
Yes, madam.
आवाज क्लिअर येत नाही, असा आवाज असा घुमतोय.
आवाज clear येत नाही. Can you tell me the other members also? Are you getting the voice clear or are you getting some disturbance?
Sir, same here.
Same here. Okay. Now it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Basically, I am. Okay. Now it's okay. I hope it's okay. Correct. आता clear है madam आवाज?
Yes. Oh.
Okay. So basically, when we are creating the general ledger, we are bifurcating general ledger in multiple groups. The groups may be share capital, the groups may be provision, the groups may be sundry liability, the groups may be some duties and taxes. In liability side, the same way I am creating the account group in asset side. All my bank account, cash and bank account will cover in one account. Correct? All my fixed asset related transactions, GL account, will be in one account group. All my loans and advances I have given, company has given, it will come under the one account group. Sundry debtors will come under the one account group. Correct. Some other GLs are also comes under the different account group. So you can create n number of account group. Correct. It's for the reporting purpose. If I want my total balance for the asset में मेरा कितना balance है? So just I will give from GL account starting and ending. My systems will give me complete detailed analysis. Same way, I will create the account group for my profit and loss account debit side. First account group will be the opening stock. We have the opening stock. Correct. Opening stock, some raw material, trading goods or consumable goods. So all my closing stock will transfer to my opening. So it will be reflected from my balance sheet to profit and loss account debit side. Then the next account group will be purchase raw material, direct cost. Direct cost. हम लोग प्रॉफिट कैसा काउंट करते हैं? रेवेन्यू माइनस डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट, जो भी आएगा वो आपका आ जाएगा ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट. करेक्ट. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट में से इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस, इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस लेस हो जाएंगे, उसके बाद जो प्रॉफिट बचेगा वो हमारा होगा नेट प्रॉफिट. करेक्ट. So like this we'll create the account group within the profit and loss account debit side. It may be opening stock, it may be direct direct cost, and then indirect cost. Indirect cost also you have the raw material. You can define the raw material related GL account. Also you are clearing जो भी हमारा raw material के लिए, raw material लाने के लिए जो भी cost है, that cost is a raw material direct cost. Material, suppose the materials are coming from Mumbai to Pune, the transportation cost is a direct cost, it's not an indirect cost. Correct. Your transportation, your employee transportation, it's not a direct cost, it's a indirect cost. Correct. Handling and clearing charges, it will impact to your direct cost. Correct. Wages, wages आपका डायरेक्ट. फिर क्या होता है, आपके जो एम्प्लॉइज होते हैं, एम्प्लॉइज का बाइफर्केशन हो जाता है. Those employees are working in the production shop floor. These employees cost should be allocated to direct cost. Those employees are not working in this area. These employees cost are allocated to the indirect cost. But finally, when we comes the final for my bill of entry, okay, or the costing, जिसको हम लोग costing बोलते हैं. कॉस्टिंग में सब कुछ हमारे को कंसीडर करना पड़ता है. फिर वो डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट होने दो, इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट होने दो, मशीन का लेबर चार्जेस होने दो, मेंटेनेंस होने दो, कुछ भी हमारे सब हमारे को हमारा कॉस्ट शीट में आता है. एंड देन विल कम, ओके, दिस लैपटॉप कॉस्ट इज 45,000. हाउ इट विल कम? कंसीडरिंग ऑल एक्सपेंसेस प्लस माय प्रॉफिट. करेक्ट. प्लस माय प्रॉफिट. सो in a real time your gross profit ratios will be from 25% to 30%. करेक्ट. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट का रेशियो जो रहता है वो रहता है 25% से लेके 30% तक, और नेट प्रॉफिट का जो रेशियो रहता है वो रहता है 3 to 5%. बीच में का जो गैप है 20% का वो रहता है आपका टोटल इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट, डायरेक्ट इंपैक्ट करता है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. उसमें क्या होता है, फिर अगर आपका बिल सपोज 12 लाख का आया, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिल अगर 12 लाख का आया, तो 12 लाख में से 70% डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट. करेक्ट. 30% विल बी डिवाइडेड टू सम मार्केटिंग, मार्केटिंग का ऑफिस है उसमें भी चलते हैं, फाइनेंस का ऑफिस है उसमें भी चलते हैं. सो दैट कॉस्ट विल बी अलोकेटेड टू देयर रिस्पेक्टिव डिपार्टमेंट विथ देयर रेशियो. तभी तो हमारे को हमारा बिजनेस का एक्चुअल सिनेरियो पता चलेगा, नहीं तो पता नहीं चलेगा. सो इन SAP you can define the account group. Now you can execute. Click on the execution. Click on the execution. Okay. So once you click on the execute, right? Once you click on the execute, you will get this blank sheet. Correct. You will get this blank sheet, and then you can create your own account group as per your business process. It is not a standard. हर एक बिजनेस का अलग अलग प्रोसेस होता है, तो वो प्रोसेस के हिसाब से आपको कौन से अकाउंट ग्रुप बनाने के हैं, यू कैन क्रिएट इट. करेक्ट. Correct. You can create your account group. So here my chart of account, for example, I will create the account group as a my chart of account. Yesterday we have created as a DN10. So we'll give here the DN10, 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 right? Then in account group, systems required any 4 characters. Any 4 characters. It may be numeric, it may be characters, or it may be alphanumeric. Any 4 characters. Correct. So first I will create as a share capital. My share capital GL will start. I have given the length of GL as a 5. If I am giving my length of GL as a 5, then 5 numerical digit will start from which number? 5 numerical digit.
One.
One? No.
10,000.
10,000. Okay, 10,000. So if my length of GL as a 5, then my GL will start from 10,000 onwards. Okay, so it will be applicable for 10,000 to 99,999. Correct. So how many GL account I will create? More than 1 lakh or less than. Okay, in my chart of account, how many GL account I can create? 1 lakh approximately. So that is enough for me. उससे तो ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे. Correct. So you can have the maximum length as a 10th length, 10th numerical. Right. So if I am creating my account group, first account group as a share capital, I will give share capital S or SC. SC. Just I will give the example and then SC. Then the name will be as a share capital. Share capital and in bracket, I will give you it's starting from 10,000 to 10,999 and then I will close it here. This is the text. This is the text. Then from this is the actual. This is the actual. It will be 10,000 and starting from 10,000 to I will keep 1,000 gap. मैं हर एक के बीच में 1,000 का गैप रख दूंगा. शेयर कैपिटल में 1,000 जेल बना सकता हूँ. उसके बाद में लूंगा मैं 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000. So like this. So the end will be 10,999. That means how many GL I can create? 1,000 GL in one account. So like this, अगर मैंने 1,000 का भी ग्रुप अकाउंट इसमें रखा तो मैं कितना अकाउंट ग्रुप बना सकता हूँ? 99. बराबर है ना? 99 में अकाउंट ग्रुप बना सकता हूँ इसमें. 99 अकाउंट ग्रुप और 1 lakh GL अकाउंट. So that's enough for me to configure all my financial related transactions. Right. So I will go back from here. Then I have already created some accounts group. Correct. So what I can do, I will do my work. थोड़ा easy कर देता हूँ. These accounts group. So my chart of account is a 1034. I will select all this line. Correct. I will select all this line 1034 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, okay, 19 and then 20, 21. So I have 21 account group. What I can do, I will copy as it is to my chart account. I have the option is the copy as. Okay, so copy as. I will click on the copy as. So this all 21 account group will be copied and then my chart of I'll have to just change my chart of account. Instead of 1034, it should be DN10. Okay, so I'll have to change all 21 account group. Instead of 1034, it should be DN10. Correct. Okay, now I'll do this activity. DN10. Okay, next. DN10. Okay. Again here as a DN10. Yes.
Any other option regarding copy and paste?
This is the
every time you have to type DN10, DN10.
Yes. You have this. You can select and then you can copy it. But right now, don't do this. Okay. You have better way. You have to type it all 21 times, or you can type it this in your Excel, and then you can say copy, and then you can say paste here. But it will be because this is a one time activity and you have to do very carefully. आपको हमेशा हमेशा ये एक्टिविटी नहीं करना है, ठीक है? इसके लिए इसको very you have to do very carefully. Once you have done mistakes, then you have to do all this work again and again as a 3 times, correct? Multiple times. And then systems are not accept the duplication of the any account group here, correct? So that's why be very careful when you are doing this activity. I have created 21 account group. Okay, so as per if I will create only 4 accounts group, then my balance sheet supposed to work which 4 account group? I want to create only 4 accounts group. Then the balance sheet will work out or not work out? अगर मैं 4 ही अकाउंट ग्रुप बनाता हूँ तो मैं मेरा बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट मेंटेन कर सकता हूँ क्या? नहीं कर सकते हैं। कैसे? कौन से बोलो? Yes, if I'll create only the 4 account group, that can also work out for me, but it will be confusing. Okay, if you want the reporting in the micro level, then you have to create maximum account. मुझे अगर रॉ मटेरियल रिलेटेड का ही जीएल अकाउंट चाहिए तो I have this account group, so I will quickly enter the from GL and to GL. It will be easy for me, correct? So that's why instead of creating 21, if I'll create as a 4 only, that my balance sheet is also working, not an issue.
अकाउंट बुक का पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं।
कौन?
अकाउंट बुक पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं क्या?
मैं
प्रैक्टिस के लिए
मैं क्यों करूँ? आपको टाइप करने का है? मैं चाहूँ तो पूरा आपको पूरा बंच का बंच दे दूँ, फिर आप क्या करोगे? आप पढ़ोगे नहीं, लिखोगे नहीं ना, तो फिर आपको ध्यान में कैसे आएगा? जब आप 4 बार टाइप करोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा क्या है, correct? Or you can create only 4 account group and you can maintain your books of accounts, not an issue. Is it? Okay. TM10 नहीं है हमारा, SC10 ऊपर भी है क्या? SC10 एक बार शेयर कैपिटल, फिर कैसा आया ये?
नीचे और लो।
बट उसमें आगे जाना चाहिए ना। एंड अच्छा, DM10 ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट है क्या? कौन सा है यार? लेट मी चेक, आई हैव टू गो बैक। DM10, okay. DM10 SC10 क्यों बोल रहे हो? ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट है करके, है क्या कहीं पे यहाँ पे? अरे हाँ, हमने पहले भी किया था ना एक बार, अभी जस्ट वो सेव हुआ होगा उसमें। कौन सा खाली हो गया? हाँ चलो उधर। ऐसा कैसे हमारे को उठाने का? सिर्फ मेरा मोबाइल उठाना पड़ेगा। ये बैग रहने दो, बैग तो दो।
ये चाहिए होगा ना आपको?
हाँ वो चाहिए वो। आराम से देख के
टीवी तक चल रहा है आपको पता है?
टीवी चल रहा है,
यहाँ HDMI से जोड़ो।
इसका सेटिंग करना पड़ेगा।
नहीं,
इसका रिमोट वो है रिमोट।
हाँ ठीक है।
इस घर पे चलेगा।
HDMI
हाँ HDMI 2 या 1 तो पता नहीं इसका कौन सा है।
जोड़ा ही नहीं दिख रहा। मोबाइल को जलाने की जरूरत नहीं है। हाँ सर।
अरे इसमें ये पिछला
सर आप कहाँ लगा HDMI को?
बड़ा है उधर ही।
वही है क्या?
हाँ हाँ वही
मुझे लगा चार्ज।
आ गया।
बताइए।
सर आप जहाँ पे हो वहाँ पे सब कुछ पॉसिबल है। हाँ?
ये लीजिए आपका काम हो गया।
सर वॉइस नाही येते.